Dear students, today in 8th standard GK, we are going to see about the brain tester. Now, coming to this question number B, which figure will come in the last box? Check the correct answer. Here in the first box, the rectangle is there in this corner, and next box it is there in this side, and third it is opposite to there. So in the fourth figure the star should come in this corner. So coming to the option, the D is a appropriate answer for here question number 4. You can draw this figure here. Now subdivision C, tick the figure which is different from the rest. Here the square, rectangle and some of the shape is given. This is all a 2D shape, and here in the D shape it's given as like a curved figure. So this one here, odd man out. And now fill in the basic number. Here 44 is in between. So 4, 7 and 4. Here 11, 48, 5 and 3. So 17, 8, 175. The answer may be 7. Coming to the next one, it is a decode it. Here in a certain code, market is written as TFLSBM. How will pencil be written in the same code? The answer is FP. Now, if pale is written as 2134 and yearn is written as 4159, how will learn be written as? Okay, A is actually 1 and R is actually 5, N is 9. So better we can go for the option is D, 3419. In a certain language, water is called black. Black is called tree. Tree is called blue. Blue is called rain. Rain is called pink, and pink is called fish. What is the color of the sky in that language? It is rain. Now, if candle is written as EDRIRL in a certain code, how will health can be written as? It is JHEQZO. Now, if victory is written as YLFWRUB, how will you write your success in the same code? It is answer B, VXFFHVV. Now, in a certain code, SkyTri Rips RPS stands for Nice Sunday Morning. TCHSTIRPS stands for Each Friday Morning. Same like that. Which option would denote Sunday in that code? Sunday, it is TRI. TRI. Now in page number 52, we are going to see about some mind games. What mathematical symbol can be placed between 5 and 9? So that answer is greater than 5 and smaller than 9, it is a decimal point. Next one, look at the following figure. How many triangles can you find? I am saying it is 20. How? First, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Next, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Now, rebus is a riddle made of pictures and symbols whose name resemble the intended words. Solve these rebus puzzles. Here READ, we can make a riddle as read between the lines. Next one is here, roads are given here. It is a crossing the thing, so we can write as crossroads. Next, MOON is given in a blue. So we can make a riddle as by saying this picture. Once upon a blue moon. Next, stanza for STA4NCE. For instance. Next one, travel seas. Travel overseas. Now, find three whole numbers which when added together or multiplied together have the same answer. 1, 2 and 3. Now, a hotel contains 100 rooms. A man is hired to paint the numbers 1 to 100 on the doors. How many times will he have to paint the number 8? It is 20 times. Now, I have forest but no trees. I have lakes but no water. I have roads but no cars. Who I am? This is a map. Next in page number 53 is briefly explained about the benefit of the yoga. Yoga is a method of fitness that aims at balancing the body and calming the mind, thus maintaining all-round health. It keeps us fit both physically and mentally. Here some points are given. Over here, yoga, it improves memory and concentration, provides relief from stress and anxiety, increases flexibility and stamina. It is while doing the yoga, you can get the boost immunity. If you are regularly doing the yoga, you can increase the efficiency of all body systems. It improves the self-esteem. It improves the self-quality. So you can try this picture as a activity. So backside of the activity note, you can draw the yoga and write about the benefits of the yoga. And here in page number 53, some of yoga types asanas are given there. Now, from page number 54 to 60, it is about your life skill. How efficiently do you manage your time? By your own experience, you should fill page number 54, 55 and 56. Then, coming to non-verbal communication, some tips are given in page number 57 to improve your non-verbal communication skill. While walking, hold yourself erect and hold your head up. It is a sign of confidence. Your pace should be neither too fast or not too slow. This shows that you are a balanced person. Now, while you are talking to someone, what are the steps you should follow? Smile as this signals that you are a friendly person. Establish eye contact with the person but do not stare. Always respect the personal space of others. Do not cross your arms. It shows that you do not agree with the other person. Control your hand movements. Do not flail them. Avoid putting your hands into your pocket. Do not touch your face, especially your nose. It is a sign that you are not speaking the truth or that you have some time to hide. And while sitting, sit straight and do not slouch. This upright, straight posture shows your confidence. Put your hands on your lap and your legs firmly on the ground. Here are some tips to improve your non-verbal communication. Let's turn the other page. Here is giving a winning is a habit. Some habit is make you to winner in your life. If you follow this habit, which is given in page number 48, sure you will achieve more in your life. Next in page number 59 is given about the memory booster. Here general tips and some specific tips is given to you to improve your memory level. General tips to improve your memory level is sleep well, exercise regularly, relax by yourself, eat at the right time. Next, a specific tips is make association and use mnemonic and organize to remember facts and figures, and give full attention to the details, concentrate and observe, and then create a visual image. Next, organize information. For example, here for the last tip is given to remember your mobile number, divide it into a small set of 2 or 3 digits. Some more memory boosters also you can write in this page. Next one is about a value for me. Here is given some of the different abilities, dreams, hopes, and likes to do things differently in your class and your neighborhood. You will come across many children who are different from you. When you meet them, someone who is not like what you should do, read the following situation and write your answers. Choose from this box. Some situations are given here. Okay, by your own experience, what you achieved in your life, you can give a reply. You can fill this lines. Next one, same like page number 60. Here, what is your dilemma is given in page number 61. By your own experience, by your different situation, what you are facing in your life, you can fill this page. Next one, page number 62. They are given a poem. By using this, you can list 3 ways humans pollute the environment. What can you do for the environment? List 3 ways to save the following: water, paper, food, fuel, electricity. You have to fill this page, students. Next one, the last of this session is thank you. Your parents are going to celebrate their 15th wedding anniversary in next week, and a grand party as planned. You are planning a gift for them. You want this to be very special and different. You surf the internet and see a lot of things that you can buy. Then you can come across a site that says, show your parents how much you love them. You feel that it is your best idea you have to come across. You decide that you will write a letter to your parents, telling them how much you love them and are grateful you to them. Plan this letter. This and all like activity you can do so that you can improve your writing skill, and you can show your love to your parents by writing a letter and giving to them and make them too happy. Next one is about page number 65, Jai Hind. Here the poem Where the Mind is Without Fear, which is written the poet by Rabindranath Tagore. Here some questions are given below. By reading this poem, you can write by your own answer. What is Rabindranath Tagore's vision in this poem? How does he want his country to be? By putting your own words, you can fill the answer. This one, page number 65, which is given in page number 65. Next one, in page number 66, change your perceptions. So here is a gender sensitivity space. Most statements are based on the perception and stereotypes of how men and women behave. The statement given are only ideas. Think and answer this question with yes or no. Discuss your response in class. Okay, ma. This is all your own wish. You can think and say your own opinion. Yes. For example, for me, I'm saying women talk more than men. I'm saying it is wrong. It is a wrong method. Yes. Or yes. That depends upon your situation. Yes. Or your own experience. You can fill this page. Gender equality is a precondition for meeting the challenge of reducing poverty, promoting sustainable development, and building good governance. This is a word said by Kofi Annan. Yes. So, from page number 54 to 66, do by yourself with your own creativity, and thereby your GK portion is getting over for this academic year by this session. Thank you, student.